throw a dart at this board here. Our dart is equally likely to hit any point inside the square board. Are you going to be more likely to get the 10 points in red or the 0 points that are in the purple? Okay, so let's find the probability of getting 10 points and compare it to the probability of getting 0 points. Remember, probability is the number of ways to be successful divided by the total number of ways you could land, or the area. So we're talking about area here. We've got the geometry going on with this probability. So the area of the small circle right here, this radius is said to be 3 inches. So I'm going to take pi squared, which will be pi times 3 squared. So pi times 3 squared. And that becomes 9 pi. Now I'm going to divide it by the area of the entire board. Well, this board happens to be a square. And if this is 3 and this is 3 and this is 3, that means the radius of the entire circle is 9. If there's 9 on this side, there's 9 on that side. So the entire square's length is 18. So that will be 18, and we have to square it. When it's a square, we have to square it. It's side squared. And 18 squared is going to be 324. Okay. Now, let's see if, I know this is odd and this is even, so I know 2 won't go into it, but let's see if 9 will. Add the digits 3, 2, and 4 together and see if 9 goes into that number. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 9, and 9 does go into 9, so 9 will go into both of these. So I'll divide 9 by 9 and get 1, and I'll divide 324 by 9 and get 36. Okay, so I'm left with pi over 36. We'll go ahead and make that a decimal and get approximately 0.08726 or 0.873. That a 3. All right, now let's look at the probability of getting the 0 points. That would be here, 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 and here. Let's take the square and subtract off the big circle, and that'll get what's left over there. So the area of the square, we've already found out the area of the square was 18 squared. And we're going to subtract off the area of the big circle. Well, its radius, remember it's pi squared, its radius is 369, so that will be pi times 9 squared, all over the area of the entire board, which we've already found out was 18 squared. Okay, so 18 squared we know is 324 from the last problem, minus 9 squared times pi is 81 pi, and we divide that by 18 squared, which we already know is 324. Okay, since 9 went into 324, I'm thinking 81 might also go into 324. Let's check it and see. 324 divided by 81 is 4. Very good. So I can divide all these by 81. 81 goes into 81 one time, 81 goes into 324 4 times, and 4 times. It's a nice simplified way. So I have 4 minus pi divided by 4. Now let's find out what that is as a decimal. 4 minus pi, it's very important that you hit equal here before you divide by this 4 here. So I'm getting 0.2146. Now, comparing the place right after the decimal, I have a 0 here and a 2 here, so this one is larger. That means it is more likely to get 0 points.